My life was changed in an instant while assisting a coworker change the tire on her car on the side of the freeway. An individual traveling at 55 miles an hour on the shoulder hit me from behind, pinning me between two vehicles. As a result of that impact, I became a bilateral above-knee amputee.
When I walked into the hospital room, I saw him there and he was conscious. And I went over and I grabbed his hand and he said, I love you. But then right away he said, we're gonna need help. I want you to call an attorney. And I was kind of taken back by this, but I could tell that right away he was thinking, he knew he was in serious trouble with, physically, and right away he was thinking he needed to provide for his family and was concerned about where, what our future was gonna be after this accident.
So when Schwebel Goetz Sieben came to the hospital, we had already interviewed 3 personal injury attorneys. And Schwebel Goetz Sieben came with a plan. They had pulled reports, they had done the diligence, and they already had kind of a plan of attack.
After interviewing Schwebel Goetz Sieben, we just felt at ease knowing that they were going to take care of us and that we could concentrate on just physically getting better and not worrying about our financial status.
A big thing with the rest of my life is working with the insurance companies to ensure that I have coverage for the rest of my life. So I'm able to do the things that I want to do, that I need to do. I'm able to keep up with my family. I'm able to work and support my family. So I think that's a big part of what they've done. It's not just the case itself, but a lifetime of support.
So initially we thought about going with a smaller firm to keep our costs down, but we found that Schwebel Goetz Sieben was comparable in cost, and on top of that we got their expertise and their resources working for us.
I think the enthusiasm that Schwebel Goetz Sieben brought to us during the initial consultation at the hospital remained consistent throughout the entire case. They were always there for us when we needed them.
Schwebel Goetz Sieben was great to work with. They let us know that they would handle all the medical bills going forward, so we didn't concern ourselves at all with any medical bills or legal issues that came. They all went right through Schwebel Goetz Sieben. So that was a great load off of our mind. We could really concentrate on what we needed to do in the hospital. Since the accident, we've been busy recovering. Aaron's been busy recovering and has made a full recovery. He plays a lot of golf and he's back at work. We've also started a nonprofit that helps amputees called Wiggle Your Toes. So we're very busy with that and keeping up with our 3 kids.
Wiggle Your Toes is an organization that we formed in 2008 that assists individuals that have suffered the loss of a limb in their recovery and rehab efforts. We help forge a path to recovery so individuals can find their new normal. We've started out in Minnesota in 2008 and we've expanded. We have an East Coast branch and we've helped people all over the world. We just helped an individual that is from Brazil that teaches our wounded military to surf as well as disabled children. We're really on a roll and it's a lot of fun helping others. I would highly recommend Schwebel Goetz Sieben to anybody who is facing a personal injury accident.
They far exceeded our expectations. They are professional, thorough, and very wonderful to work with.
Call Schwebel Goetz Sieben at 612-377-7777 for a free consultation or visit schwebel.com.